If you are looking for that spicy but very delicious and juicy grilled chicken, then this recipe is for you because this was so nice. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. We share easy recipes here, and trust me, everyone loves soft life, so you will like it here. Okay, please subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have my chicken drumsticks here. I'll remove those yellowish skin, and then there are some feathers there as well. I'll remove everything and then we can continue. My returning followers and subscribers, oh my goodness, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I am so grateful. Now I'll continue with the cleaning, and when we are done, we'll go to the next process. So now I went behind camera. I'm done with everything. I'll go ahead and then add some lemon juice and then vinegar to my chicken. Clean it very well to remove any smell. Okay, just look at that. They look absolutely very clean. So I will wash it or clean it one by one. So I am done with now I am done with everything, and I will allow it to rest whilst I focus on the marinade. Now that is my pepper, ginger, garlic, and I will just give it a stir with some natural seasonings. Any seasoning of your choice you can go ahead and use. So when we're blending all those things, we added oil to it to blend instead of blending it with water. Okay, yes. So now I've increased my fire. I will allow it to be on fire, and then we attend to the chicken. This is the chicken, and I am going to use my paper towel to wipe or to make it dry. Okay, because you know we are going to season it. Yes, and I don't want any liquid there. Even if there will be liquid, you will take most of it from the chicken. Okay, so that is what I'm doing, and I will do that one by one. If you've watched till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Have you liked the video? If you haven't, can you do so for me? I'll be very happy if you share to others. Leave me your comment in the comment section and then share to others. Okay, thank you for doing it. So we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us, and you will love it everywhere. For short videos, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. Now we are done cleaning everything, okay, or wiping the water from it, and what you are seeing is my pepper. That is powdered pepper, my seasoning, use any, my natural herbs and spice. Okay, that is what I've added to the chicken. I will just rub it on the chicken, and then we will continue. It doesn't mean the one we prepared earlier we are not going to use it, so just stay tuned, do not go anywhere, and then see what we are going to do. Now we don't want a situation whereby some of the chicken will not be well seasoned. Okay, so we are just going to rub that on the chicken one by one, so that we will treat each drumstick fairly. Okay, that is what we are doing. If you want to add oil to it, you can go ahead and do so, but I did not, because the marinade we are preparing has oil already, and that will not be necessary. So I'll continue with that, and as I'm doing that, I'll be massaging the chicken. Make sure every ingredient enters very well. I have added my parsley to that. I love parsley. Okay, I've added that to the chicken and I will rub it, massage it very well. Now I'll go ahead and then add the sauce, okay, the marinade we prepared. That wasn't ready, so I had some which I decided to use. It is the same ingredient: pepper, ginger, garlic, and then we blended it with oil. Okay, I took some of the pepper out for some personal thing. I was actually boiling some eggs. Okay, so you wanted to use some to eat the eggs, and it is so good. Okay, you can try that. Now we have massaged the chicken very well, but we will go ahead and do the massage again. Okay, make sure the sauce enters under the skin. Okay, you should go under the skin very well so that everything can get into the chicken. You can as well use your fork to make some holes, or just pinch it with it, and then you are good to go. Okay, that will also work perfectly, but I prefer this way. So after massaging, we are just going to allow the chicken to stay for some time. It can be a day, it can be some hours, any time that you want your chicken to stay. Okay, maybe you are in a hurry, but I am not in a hurry, so I'll allow it to stay for some time. I decided to do it one by one so that I can treat each drumstick fairly. Okay, yes, so do well to try that as well. Just look at that, absolutely good. Do not forget to add the salt to it, and with the salt, make sure it is not too much, because we are going to allow this to stay for some time. Okay, so that it will not be salty. So do not add a lot of salt to it or anything that contains salt. The rubbing and then the massage continues. Yes, because we need to ensure that each has the marinade, or each of the drumsticks are well treated. So when we are done, we will continue. We are on YouTube again, our second channel, where we share the recipes in Twi language. The name is Recipe Goddess. Okay, it is actually not the same videos we share there. Yes, so please subscribe for more videos. Now this is the chicken, and I'm just going to cover it, allow it to stay for some time in the fridge, and we will continue. So now that is the next time I wanted to make it, and just look at that, they are resting on the rack, and I'll just put this in the oven. I just finished doing some 4 voiceover SB, and I realized that I didn't mute the video. Meanwhile, I've deleted the video from my phone. The way it's paining me. Now we use 350 Fahrenheit heat, and it is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.